Hey everybody.
Are you doing a video?
I am doing a video.
Okay, cool. I didn't know. What are we doing?
Yeah, we are going to share with you the Hua Hin Night Market tonight. So
Cool.
A little different night market. Should be more of the local scene, and we're excited. So,
Super busy around here, and we got lucky.
Yeah.
Because we parked right there, and the night market is right there.
Right there. So hold on. All right, we've been walking for about 10 seconds or so, and it is this entire, fireworks. It's this entire street that is blocked off. And it is a lot busier, wouldn't you say, Dave, than last time we were here. We were here during COVID.
Yeah, we were here during COVID.
Oh my gosh, and it was sparse of people. Ooh, I like that hat with the bow.
Yeah, we're here for food.
Okay, can't go shopping. Squid Lab. Roti. Yeah, some kind of jelly things or something. I don't know what that is. There are so many different foods and so many different dishes for Thai food. Dave and I probably have just touched the surface as far as the options for Thai food. And we realize we have to be a little bit more daring to try some of the newer stuff, but we get stuck on the things that we really enjoy and keep ordering them.
We're pretty good at it. We try a lot of different things, but there are, like that menu, that restaurant we went to the other day, they probably had 300 items on the menu, and we had like 10 of them.
And that's the other thing too, is you get into these restaurants and you see everything you want to try, and then you over order. So we end up bringing everything home. Always shopping. Poor Dave. There's a slew of birds up there making a racket. Oh, some dogs. Aw. Dave, kebabs. Wow, a lot of clothing shops.
Money. 25.
Oh my gosh. 20 baht for a smoothie. Jeez.
Huh?
Look at all the restaurants here on the sides as well.
Lovely boy.
Yeah. America. Whoa. The seafood, gosh, wow.
The oysters.
I know, the oysters are monstrous. Whoa.
Size of the oyster. This
Yeah.
size of shrimp.
They're doing all the cooking right here for this restaurant, it seems. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at the size of the shrimp. I don't think I've ever seen a shrimp that big. Wow. Just to show you guys the size compared to Dave's hand. Incredible. This place has just transformed since about a year ago that we were here. I cannot believe all the restaurants, all the places to eat on this road, including all the little stands too. Definitely very, very lively down here, and the food selection looks amazing. Ooh, interesting. I'm sure you guys probably caught a glimpse of what I saw on that table over there. Ooh, spring rolls. Sounds good. 40 baht for 4. Wow.
Top and top.
Ooh. What do you think, Dave?
For $1.33, definitely unbelievable.
And look at this little guy here. Oh my gosh, isn't he cute? He's so cute. Oh, it looks like a little teddy bear. Ah, looks like we're going upstairs. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Boy, I wouldn't want to be the waiter here. Coming up and down these stairs. We are at Hua Hin Seafood. And you can see some of the dishes and also some of the prices. Looks like they have quite a selection. And I have no idea what I'm in the mood for. Wow, lots of choices. Wow. So it's late February here, and we were just talking about the weather. We have had such great weather, haven't we, Dave?
Yeah, like
Sunny.
right now the weather's perfect. We are sitting outside. The sun just went down. And of course there's a fan behind us. But other than the fan, even if the fan wasn't here, it's not hot out at all. It's like comfortable.
And there is a light breeze as well. And I've yet to really experience a mosquito major issue here, right, Dave? Mosquitoes, it's just not really, I don't know, I haven't been getting bitten. I'm usually the one that gets bit.
Yeah.
The first time really that I had an issue was yesterday when we went to the waterfall, and we were right by the water, and we were in the kind of in the jungle, you know, so I expected maybe a couple bites, which I did get, but generally it's not an issue.
But back to food. When we come back here, you're going to want to definitely watch the video. We will share it, because this meal, we just came out to get like a regular meal. Next time we're here, it's going to be epic.
Yeah.
We look at the menus now, we feel really comfortable about what we would spend, and I don't think we'd get in much trouble. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, we're going to get something really good, like maybe get some lobster.
We'll see about that.
Okay, so I got the shrimp with cashew nuts, and look at the beautiful creation Dave has. It is a Penang curry with shrimp as well. Yum, yum, yum. Right, and that is a wrap. Finished it. It was good.
We'll be back.
Yeah.
Trust me, we'll be back, and we'll be bigger and better than ever. How much?
460.
Okay, 460 baht for our dishes. It was good.
So we just paid, our entire bill was 460 baht. We didn't go out of our way showing you all the food we had, but I had Penang shrimp, and I had 5 big river prawns. Kim had cashew shrimp, just like cashew chicken, but cashew shrimp. And she had 8 of the same size prawns. Mine was 280 baht. Hers was 140 or 160. So guess what I'm getting next time? It says it all. And it was good. I don't think Kim can walk by a roti stand without getting a roti. So Kim, what are you doing?
I'm gonna get a roti. And I think I'm gonna get it with banana, because I really do like with banana.
Get a smoothie.
Okay.
So Kim's got her roti, so she's happy. And while I was waiting, I came over here, and let me show you this. See those fruit smoothies right there? That's before, this is after. And the cost was less than $1 US. It was 30 baht. Amazing. I've never seen prices like this in Koh Samui.
Oh, aren't those cute little Christmas hats? Ah, look at that. All right, well that concludes me and Dave's little trip to the Hua Hin Night Market. I hope you all enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.